Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl with just stitches. In today's video, I will share with you guys how to make a quilted mini bag. So guys, if this sounds like something you are interested to know how I made, let's get straight into the tutorial. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos to people. It will be helpful too. Thank you. I'm working with this beautiful glittering synthetic leather. I already cut it out. The length I'm working with is 18 inches and the width is 10 inches. Right now, I went on folding it on fold just this way, and I'll be measuring the side. So when I measure the side, we got 18 inches as the length, and when you divide 18 by 2, it will give you 9 inches. So this will help us to cut out the side. You get? So to cut the side, you minus 2 inches from the length you got when you folded it on fold. So actually minus 2 inches to avoid excess, you get, and the width I'm working with for the side is 4 inches. Then the next thing now is for us to form that rhombus structure, that rhombus pattern. So right now I'm going to be showing you guys how to form it. Just you get your ruler and start slanting. Then I'm working with a fiber. You can also work with foam, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to first of all stitch this slanted part before doing another slanty. So I'm going to be doing everything once, but I'll just show you guys how to do the second one. Okay, so once I'm done with the second structure, that rhombus shape will be out. You do the same thing to the side, and I'm going to go on now and stitch it following the marked lines. As you can see, I'm done stitching the first slanted line, and this is the second line that will form the rhombus shape. As you can see, I hope I'm getting it. Once I was done, this is how the whole body looks like, and this is the back view. After I was done finding the middle, I'm going to get the side of the middle like this and place it just this way and pin it so that it won't move. In this kind of bag, you stitch one side and also stitch one side. Don't stitch one side once, because if you stitch one side once, sometimes it creates a fault not being equal, you get. So right now I'm going to go now and stitch the other side and also stitch the other side. After I was done, this is how it looks like. So for me to fold up this part, if you like, you can fold it before you join the side, but I won't do that because sometimes you have small excess, because you need to trim it so that everything will be in equal. So right now I'm going to go on and make it equal before folding it. For the folding, I'll be working with this light material. I actually wanted to work with the leather, but the leather is very thick and it will be difficult for me to work with. If the leather was a light leather, I would have loved working with it. Then I'll be working with this light one. It will make it more easier for me, you get. I got my key. This is a key. I'll go on now and trace it so that I'll be able to attach it to the bag just this way. I'll also be working with rivet for the edge of the bag. So this four corner part, I'll be attaching rivets there. The next thing now is for us to attach the highlight. I have a tutorial where I have a local way to attach the highlight, but today I want to be working with the local way. I'm going to go and use the machine in someone's shop and attach it. You get, so I'm going to go now and attach it. This is the machine used in attaching highlights. It makes your work very neat. And I also have a tutorial where you can work with the local method. I'll be leaving the link in the description box. So after I was done, this is how the bag looks like. Absolutely beautiful. So guys, please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And if you love what I do, please help me share it to other people. Right now I'm going to attach my chain, and the length of my chain is 25 inches. Thank you all for watching and see you all in my next tutorial. Bye bye.